Okay. No enter front. You want to?
No, you go follow you. Please just hold on.
Chairman.
Hold on there. Hold on. No comment. We'd like to have a chat. Huh? For the past 3 days. We've been lazy yet for the past 3 days. Huh? Step on my neck. This way.
Sorry, sir.
Wait.
How far? Yes. River State Governor just left here. We would like to seek very clear clarification. Was this screened?
I don't know what you mean by screen, because it appears that anybody that appears before screening committee, of course, is necessary as part of the process. After appearing before screening committee, the screening committee will issue its report. As at now, the screening committee, having when it has completed, seeing everybody is supposed to see, will now sit down and come out with report of screening committee. As at now, there's no report of screening committee.
So what's the criteria for screening?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.